guys, so we are starting section 7.6, discounts and markups. Our goal, students will be able to solve problems involving discounts and markups. Okay, so what exactly is a discount? Well, a discount is a decrease in the original price of an item. Okay? And a markup, to make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. Okay, so they pay one amount for an item, and then they have to charge more for that, so that way they can make money. Okay, so a markup is the increase from what the store pays to the selling price. All right, so there's going to be a question, and you just need to type in exactly what I had said about what they mean by a markup. Why stores mark up the price of an item. Okay, and that's just to make sure that you're paying attention and that you have the sound on. All right, so the question is, why do stores have to mark up the price? And then make sure you read the actual correct answer. All right, so example, it says the original price of a video game is $35. What is the sale price? Well, it says it's 25% off. Okay, so you can write the percent equation. Okay, so A equals P percent times W, or you could use the proportion A over W equals P over 100. Either way is fine. Okay, so first we're trying to find the discount. Okay, so we're trying to find how much the discount is. So it's 25% off, and the original price was 35. So that means the whole number is 35 and the percent is 25%. So to find the discount, you would do P percent, so 25%, and we want to change that to a decimal, so we do 25 over 100, which is 0.25. Okay, so we do 0.25 times 35. Okay, and type in your calculator 0.25 times 35 and tell me what you get. All right, so hopefully you got 8.75, $8.75. This is the amount of the discount. Okay. Now I need to find the sale price. Okay, so to find the sale price, you take the original amount and you subtract the discount. Okay. All right, so for the sale price, the original amount was $35, and you subtract the discount, which was $8.75. So tell me, what is 35 minus $8.75? Okay, so hopefully you got $26.25. So the new price of the item is $26.25. Okay, let's try another one. The original price of a skateboard is $50. The skateboard is on sale for 20% off. What is the sale price? So first, we have to figure out how much the discount is. Okay, so to find the discount, let's use the percent equation. So A equals P percent times W. Okay, tell me again, what does A and W represent? Yeah, so A is the part and W is the whole. It's the original, okay? So A would tell you how much the discount is. So it's $50 and it's 20% off. I need to change 20% to a decimal. What is 20% as a decimal? Yeah, so it's 0.20. So we get A equals 0.20 times the whole amount, which is $50. Okay. All right. What's 0.20 times 50? All right. So yeah, it's $10. So that means my discount is $10. Okay. So to find the sale price, you take the original amount and you subtract the discount. Okay. So what was my original amount? Yeah, so my original amount was 50. And how much was my discount? Yeah, so my discount was 10. And then to find your sale price, you've got to do 50 minus 10. And so what would the sale price be? Okay, yeah, so the sale price would be $40. Okay, so the skateboard, I would get it on sale for 40 bucks. All right, next question. It says, what is the original price of the cleats? Okay, well, it says it's 40% off and the sale price is $33. So I need to figure out how much the discount was because I don't, like I know it was 40% off and I know that the new price is $33. So I've got to figure out what the original price was. Okay. Well, the sale price, this amount here, $33, it's going to be 60% of the original price. Now you're thinking, how in the world did I know that it was 60%? Well, if they were 40% off, the original amount would be 100%. And if it's 40% off, that means they took away 40%. So 100 minus 40 is 60. So that means I paid 60% for these of the price for these cleats. So 33 is 60% of the price. Okay. So I've got to figure out 33 is 60% of what number? Now, I know how to solve this. We have been doing this. Okay. You can use the percent proportion or you can use the percent equation. This is the percent equation, or you can use the percent proportion. Either one's fine. So it would be 33 over W equals 60 over 100. Okay. And then we cross multiply. W times 60 is 60W equals 33 times 100 is 3,300. And then we divide both sides by 60. And we get W equals 3,300 divided by 60. And that's 55. So the original price was $55. Okay, let's do another example. The discount on a DVD is 50%. It is on sale for $10. What's the original price? Well, if $10 is 50%, or if $10 is after the 50% off, you need to figure out $10 is what percent. Okay, so to figure out the percentage that 10 is, you would do 100 minus the percentage that it was off. Okay, so that would be 50. So 100 minus 50, and I get 50%. So I paid 50% of the original price. So that means $10 is 50% of the original price. Okay, and now I just set up my proportion. 10 would go on top. I don't know the original price, so it goes on bottom. 50 over 100. Then we multiply. W times 50 is 50W. 10 times 100 would be 1,000. And we divide both sides by 50. So what's 1,000 divided by 50? Yeah, so hopefully you got W equals 20. Okay, So the original price was $20. All right, another example. A store pays $70 for a bicycle. What is the selling price when the markup is 20%? Okay, so first we need to find the markup. Now a markup is going to add to your total because they're going to want to make a profit. So they're going to add however much the markup is. So first we need to find the markup. Okay, so to find the markup, we're going to use the percent equation. A equals P percent times W. A is the part, W is the whole, and our whole amount 70, and our percent is 20%. So again, I need to change 20% to a decimal. So what would 20% be as a decimal? Okay, yeah, so it'd be 0.2 or 0.20 times the whole amount, which is 70. And what's 0.20 times 70? Yeah, so it's $14. So the markup is $14. Okay, so now we need to find the selling price. Okay, so to find the selling price, you're going to do the cost to the store plus the markup. Well, the cost to the store was $70 and the markup is $14. So if I add 70 plus 14, I get $84. Okay, so they're going to sell that bike for $84 in order to get a 20% profit. All right, number 6. A store sells memory cards for $25 each. The markup for each memory card is 25%. How much did the store pay for 50 memory cards? All right, so this amount here says they're $25. So it says the markup for each memory card is 25%. Okay, so that means that 25, they got that from doing a markup of 25%. All right, so this right here, this is how much the store paid plus 25% more. Now, how much the store paid would represent 100%. So 25 is the total amount that they paid in percentage wise. Okay, that's the total that they paid. Plus their 25% markup. Okay, so altogether, $25 represents 125% of their cost. Okay, so it's 125% of their cost. So $25 is 125% of their cost. Okay, so now I just got to figure out what their cost was. Okay, so I would do 25 over W equals 125 over 100. Okay, and then we multiply. 125W equals 25 times 100, which is 2,500. And then we do 2,500 divided by 125, and we get $20. Okay, so that means the store paid $20 per memory card. Now this asks, how much did the store pay for 50 memory cards? So if they paid $20 each and they bought 50, how can I figure out how much they paid total? Yeah, so I would just take 20 and multiply it by 50. And if you type into your calculator 20 times 50, what do you get? Yeah, so you get $1,000. So they paid $1,000 for 50 memory cards because they paid 20 each. And then they sold them for $25 each. All right, part B. The store offers a discount when a customer buys 2 or more memory cards. A customer pays $47.50 for 2 memory cards. What is the percent of discount? All right, so first you need to figure out what the original price would have been. So if they bought 2 memory cards at $25 each, we would do 2 times 25, which is 50. Okay, well, they paid $47.50. So we need to figure out how much the discount was. So how can I figure out how much less they paid? Okay. Yeah, so I would just take 50 to get their discount. I would take 50 and subtract 47.50. And what's 50 minus 47.50? Yeah, so it's $2.50. So they got a discount of $2.50. So now we need to figure out the percent of the discount. And just like before, to get your percent, it's your percent of change. It's the discount divided by the original amount. Okay, so the discount was $2.50 and the original amount was $50. So you need to do $2.50 divided by 50. And that gives, and then times that by 100. And that gives us 5%. So they got a 5% discount for buying 2 memory cards. Okay. Part C. It says, how much does a customer pay for 3 memory cards if the store increases the percent of discount by 2%? Well, first you need to figure out how much would they have paid originally. Okay. Well, you would do 3 times 25, and 3 times 25 is what? Yeah, so originally they would have paid $75. Well, the previous discount was 5%. How much would the discount be if they increased it by 2? Yeah, it would be 7%. So in order to find out what their discount is or how much they pay, I need to figure out how much their discount was. Okay, so to figure out their discount, I would do the percent equation. So 7%, which is 0.07 times 75. And so they would get a discount of $5.25. Okay, so now we got to figure out the sale price. Okay, so remember to do the sale price. You do the original minus the discount. Well, my original is 75 and my discount is $5.25. So what's 75 minus $5.25? So they would pay $69.75 for 3 memory cards. Okay. All right, once you're finished, you need to make sure and show me your notes to show that you're finished. And then you will put them in the prongs in the back of your folder and have a good day.